Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will be doing exercise 5D on page number 129. We are doing chapter number 5, linear equations and simple inequalities. We'll start from question number 1. We need to add appropriate symbols greater than, less than, greater or equal to, less or equal to. Okay. In these questions, part A says if x is greater than y, okay, then 5x will be greater than or less than. Okay, we need to mention the symbol. So see, if x is greater than y, so if we multiply same thing on both sides, still it will be greater. Let's suppose 5 is greater than 3. If multiply both sides with 2, so it becomes 10 is greater than 6. So still it is greater than. So we will put greater than symbol here. Now part B says if x is less than y, then x over 20 will be what? Greater than or lesser than y over 20. So similarly, if x is less than y, if we divide both the sides with the same number, still the same symbol will prevail. Okay, we need to put the same symbol. I'll give you one example. If let's suppose 550 is less than 100, okay, so if we divide this side with 10 and also this side with 10, so what will be the result? Result will be here 5, here it will be 10, so still it will be less than. So similarly, we will be putting less than sign here. I gave you this example. I made you understand the concept with this example. Part C says if x is greater or equal to y, then 3x 3y, we need to put appropriate symbol. So here if we say x is greater than y, okay, and let's suppose x is 10, y is 5, okay, if we multiply both sides with 3, we get 30 is greater than 15, so still greater sign. Okay, now if we say that x is equal to y, means if 10 is equal to 10, if we multiply both sides with 3, result is 30 is equal to 30, still equal sign. So we'll be putting here greater or equal sign. Okay, hope you got understanding with this example. Okay, now part D says if x is lesser or equal to y and x over 10, here it is y over 10. So if x is lesser than y or equal to y, if we divide both sides with the same number, still the same sign holds. Like if we say x is less than y, okay, so if let's suppose 10 is less than 20, this is 5. If we divide both sides with 10, what will be the result? It is 1, it is 2. 1, 2. So it means still we will be putting the same symbol, less than. If we say that x is equal to y, and if x is 10 and y is 10, x is 10, y is 10. If we divide both sides with 10, so we will be having same 1 is equal to 1. Okay. So in this case, if it was equal to sign here, so still it is equal to sign after division. So we will be putting this sign lesser or equal to, okay, sign. So hope you got understanding of the concept with the examples. Now we have completed A, B, C, D parts for question number 1. Now we'll be doing part E, which says if 15 is greater than 5 and 5 is greater than x, then 15 is, we have to put the sign 15 between 15 and x. Here we see that if, let's suppose x is less than 5, okay, x is smaller than 5, x is smaller than 5, maybe 2 or 3. So if 5 is less than 15, so this x will also be less than 15. So we'll be putting this x is less than 15. Hope you got this concept. I will repeat. If we see that x is less than 5, if we put the value, let's suppose 3 is less than 5, okay, and 5 is less than 15, okay. So what about 3 is less than 15, so we will say 3 is less than 15. So similarly we put this x is less than 15. Hope you got understanding with this example, okay. These are very simple examples according to our thinking approach, okay. So we will